The net worth statement helps you understand the financial position of your farm by breaking down assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time, and is a necessary report for loan assessments. This new integration with FCC Online Services aligns directly with what FCC requires for lending and financial analysis and facilitates the transfer of information between the two platforms. It is designed to make it easier for FCC customers to import the data from AgExpert within Online Services. To get started, visit agexpert.ca, click Sign In, and log into your account. Click Go to AgExpert Accounting if prompted. Click Reports on the left and click FCC Net Worth Statement. Select the As At date you wish to report your net worth statement for and click Next. This date can be changed later by clicking the Change Date button at the top of the report. You can click the Frequently Asked Questions button above to view more information about how sharing data works with FCC Online Services. The first step involves going through your asset accounts and categorizing them into FCC categories. Click the drop-down menu on the right under the FCC category and select the most appropriate option for that asset account. To exclude the account from the report, you can click the three dots at the end of the row and select the Exclude Account from Net Worth Statement option. You can click the Excluded Accounts button at the top right of the report if you wish to undo or make changes to excluded accounts at a later date. Continue through mapping the categories until all the asset accounts are complete. The next step involves reviewing the FCC categories to ensure the accounts have properly been mapped and included as part of the net worth statement. You can click the Add Asset button and enter an asset description to enter another item to the list, followed by entering an amount if applicable. You can click the three dots on the far right to delete the item from the net worth statement, or select another three dots beside an account that's already been mapped to move it to another FCC asset category, or exclude it from the net worth statement. Repeat this step for all the FCC categories for your asset accounts. As you complete the list of the assets, you'll get to a section that says Machinery, Equipment, and Transportation, representing your CCA classes and capital assets. Here you'll see a description of your capital assets, along with a year and a market value column. Fill out the information required. On the far right, you can click the three dots once again to exclude the account from the net worth statement. Once you've entered all of the information for your current and term asset accounts and linked them to the FCC categories, click the Current and Term Liabilities button at the top left of the page. Here, you will want to repeat this process, but for your liability accounts into FCC categories. Once again, on the far right, you'll click the Select FCC Category drop-down menu and select the appropriate current or term liability category. Just like the other screen, you can click the three dots on the far right to exclude an account from the net worth statement, or the Excluded Accounts button at the top to undo an excluded account. Continue through and map your accounts to the FCC categories. Next, under Current Liabilities Reviewing Complete, you can click the Add Liability button to add another liability to this list. Simply enter a liability description, a credit limit, and an amount. You can click the three dots on the far right if you want to delete this item from the net worth statement. Please note that this will not affect your chart of accounts. Repeat this step for all other liabilities that you wish to factor into this net worth statement. Once you've reviewed all of the information under Current and Terms Assets, as well as the Current and Terms Liabilities section, let's take a look at the buttons at the bottom of the screen. You can click the Cancel button to cancel the report entirely. The Net Worth Archive button allows you to view net worth reports you've completed and downloaded in the past. The Download button allows you to download the net worth statement in a PDF format. Lastly, the orange button has several functionalities. Click the arrow to choose either Save, Save and Archive, or Save and Close to save and close the FCC Online Services Net Worth Statement report. Afterwards, you will be able to go to the FCC Online Services portal to import the data and submit the information to your field office for review. And that's it. As you can see, AgExpert is solid, simple, and built for the farm. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our customer care team at 1-800-667-7893.